Maybe our life will end here, or else we might lose this game. But they are all my close friends.
What is wrong with the city? Ashes here, smoke there. Oh, I got mixed up. I am not going to name this city because every city has a unique character. With changing faces and street dwellers like these who have nobody to love them are the heroes of our story. This city knows them and they know the city like the palm of their hand. When everybody is going after life, they are hunting for food. Since they have no one to take care of them, they take care of themselves. In short, they take care of their own. A problem faced by one becomes everybody's problem. They unite and face the problem, for they have nothing in life but their friendship. For one meal, they are ready to do anything, while politicians rob the people of their money for money. They rob the people of their money for food, which does not seem wrong to them. However, let us see how the story progresses.
Hey,
What is it, Ben?
I am so hungry. Hey, Usman, please wake up.
Come on.
Where are you? I am waiting for you here. Hey, I am at the road end, man. Yeah, you are correct. Come soon, no?
Hey, don't go. Where are you going? Stop.
Hey, stop it.
I'm warning you.
Man. Hey,
Stop it, man.
Hey, what are you doing? Leave me, man. Hey, boys, hey, I will beat you now. Hey, leave me. You don't worry. Hey, what happened? Huh? Hey, you want to fight?
Hey,
Idiot,
come on.
I'll lift you and throw you.
Get lost, man.
Cut your tongue, man. You hold the bag. I am not going to leave you rascals.
Hey, you won't leave him.
Hey, don't run. Hey,
You can catch us
stop.
for a
Hey.
lazy bug.
Do you know who I am? You dirty rats. Huh? Where is the boy? Hey, boy. Actually, they had planned to rob me only. The street rats cheated me.
Hey, you're here? Guys, I'm here.
We were searching for you, man.
Hey, anything happen to you? So where's the bag? Move. Hey, wait a minute. Please, God, let this be a good. If it's anything good, let us give it to him.
I don't care if there are no valuables in this bag. I want something to eat.
Hey, it smells so bad. Hey, maybe I guess you thought this is bread, right?
Shit.
Wow, sambar.
Hey, what's happening?
Guys, run, come on. We don't let them come. Guys. Oh no! Come on, this way. Come on. Oh my God.
Hey, don't run!
Stop! Come on, run from them.
I'm gonna teach you a lesson. Stop, I say!
Hey, where are you hiding?
No, sir. We did nothing, sir. Please let them go.
Oh, do you want me to specially invite you? Come on.
do anything, sir. Raju?
Raju!
Hey, Raju! Raju? Raju! Hey, where are you, man? Are you here?
Where are you, Raju?
Raju!
Where are you?
Please answer me.
Raju!
Raju!
Where are you, Raju?
At one point, Raju left them and started his journey alone. No one needed to question where he went because no one knew where he went. The pain of parting their friend was forgotten shortly, and their crimes grew with their age. Their dream was to achieve something in this world. Bodybuilders across the world have a dream of becoming Mr. World someday. He is one of them.
Huh?
Oops, mistake. Wrong person. He is not the one I was talking about. He is Usman. This is the guy I was talking about. Isn't he dreaming?
Hey! What are you doing? Go and sleep in your home.
What the hell is this? I have to pay 300 monthly and have to do weightlifting also. What they are thinking of me?
Take a look at this character. You will not find such a noble guy anywhere.
Oh my God. I want to see good things like this all day. I need your blessings.
You'd have got an idea of what kind of a dirty character he is. Every new pose, every new day. That is Andrew for you.
What do you want?
Nothing.
This is Tom, a very respectful lad. I mean, when he's asleep. This is Shyam. Whatever the problem is, he always has one solution. This is Nawaz, first one to tackle any problem. A very dangerous fella.
Oh no, you open the newspaper and it's all about rape. All these guys have to be shot at sight at once. He started early in the morning?
What's the matter?
Hey, it's nothing. I misunderstood.
Hey, I can't let you go. Please, baby, come on.
Hey, hey. Don't you have any other work rather than watching blue films?
You spoiled my beautiful scene.
All films same scene.
get the hell out.
I know. What nonsense is this? Did you see Nawaz?
Nawaz? Come search here.
Is this a comedy? I will laugh afterwards. Gas bomb has started.
Pickle. 26. 27. Fifth time, pickle. 28. Don't make me lose count.
You want to know one thing. Account means we have to maintain all.
But your calculations are wrong. Hey, mix some water, man.
No mixing water. Direct intake is good for health.
You are right. You start from here.
Amazing sambar.
The smell of sambar makes me to forget everything around me. I need that sambar to near me. Sambar.
The Prime Minister went on a foreign
Your
tour
tea.
to... I think when our daughter gets married, she's going to live very happily.
Why?
Because she knows to make excellent sambar.
Oh.
Rosie has come.
Hi, auntie. What uncle? Started romancing in morning itself?
All that romance came to an end long time ago.
What is this? Have you not any sense?
Oh, stop arguing, auntie. Okay, where is Nancy?
She is inside. Come.
What is the experiment today, madam?
Sambar.
Hey, Nancy, you don't know sambar, nothing else?
Hey, Goya.
Hey, time is up. Come soon, okay?
Come.
Sambar.
Bike is here, but where is she?
Come on, hurry up, hurry up. The old man will scold us. You know what the time is? You wasted all the time making sambar. We have to manage traffic also. Why you
Nancy.
earlier?
Drink it, dear.
Oof.
Started ugling early in the morning, huh?
You go, man.
Hey girls, you got to be very careful. There's no security for girls these days.
You don't worry,
Yeah.
Daddy. Hey, finish
No,
this.
Mom.
Answer.
Bye, Mom.
Okay, sir. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
I asked you to come for a very important issue. This stuff we have in our hand needs to go to David Mala immediately. And that is a high-risk matter. Who do you have on your payroll to complete this task?
That are...
I don't want the regular persons. This is a deal that's very important to me. So, known guys are a compromise for this. Other options?
Okay, sir. There are 5 boys.
Uh-huh.
They are all into small assignments now.
Oh.
Especially they are not known in this town at all. But the truth is, they'll do what they say. You don't have to have any doubts.
Huh? Oh. All right then. First, I want their full details.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Krishna, you know my rules. I hope I don't have to break them down for you.
Okay. I'll do my best.
One cigarette.
Hey, Shyam. Will you come with money for sure?
You ever seen a girl? Why are you doing like this?
Dude, look over there. Gorgeous girls out there.
Just come with me.
I think it's working.
What, guys? These are worst guys.
Well, these youngsters, all of them are like that. They go behind all the wrong things.
Yeah.
Great
You
escape,
left me
buddy.
alone. If you do this again, I'll kick you.
Hey, he's coming.
Is this okay? Thank you, madam.
Nancy, Satyaseelan is calling you.
Go and see.
I'm going to kill him today.
Please sign here, madam. Here, ma'am.
Oh, Nancy, come on, sit down.
Thank you,
Why
sir.
are you late today?
That's because...
Oh, it's okay. You look very beautiful in this dress. Can I tell you something, Nancy? Even if I don't see you for a single day, my heart is completely broken.
Oh, this old man started.
What are you thinking now?
Nothing, sir. You tell me.
Well, you seem to have no affection for me these days.
No, sir, not like that. You're only thinking like that.
Well, Nancy, I don't look at you like the other staff, you know. You know the reason?
Honey, that's all.
Did you say anything now?
Nothing, sir. I have some work to be done. Shall I go, sir?
Oh, okay, you go. Work is important.
Okay, sir. Stupid old man.
Ma'am, pen please.
Oh, sure. Please sign it, sir.
Chah.
What did the old man say today? Huh?
You know black magic?
What he said?
I have to get rid from this old man.
Who is the son of John Peter?
What do you want?
We'll tell the matter to him only.
You won't go without seeing John Peter.
We are used to getting our way.
It's me, John Peter.
Sham, we have to show our way to him.
This is the last and final warning. Hereafter, if you trouble Paramasivan's daughter, we will kill you and bury you all in this ground. Understand?
Hey, shut and come.
Be careful.
All right, hurry it up. The lorry is on its way. Everything needs to be ready.
Wait, boss, we have to cut, no?
Huh? What kind of a rowdies are you guys? Aren't you ashamed? Alright, let it go. I'll take care of it. Hello, this is John here.
Brother was in prayer. So hold a sec. Brother, John wants to talk to you.
Razak here. What's the matter?
Hey, Razak. I have an assignment for you. It's okay?
Okay. Leave it to me. I'll do the rest.
You know nothing about me. Huh? The guys you smashed yesterday are my boys. I'm good to those who are good to me, but people like you, I'm a bloody cobra. This is another of my boys. If you have the guts, fight him now. Huh? Razak, don't kill them. Just lame them.
Yes, sit and watch the show. I'll finish.
Yeah, what do you want? Don't spare him, Kick him. Let go, please. Get the hell off me.
Hey, you don't know about this. Who you think of yourself? Take it. Get the hell out.
Oh my God, Razak. You're one of them. Where are you taking me, man?
Go and cure yourself.
Funny guy.
Hey, don't give to him, okay?
Why? Because I am beginner. I'll drink full bottle.
Hey, shut your mouth and stop blabbering, man.
Hey, if we won't have their one.
Hey, no.
Why? What happened?
I don't drink like this.
And then? What happened to him?
I don't know. Hey, what are you doing? Cheers.
I don't drink with water. That only I said.
Hey, I want to know something. When did you start this rowdyism?
That thing. I can't climb and steal from houses. All houses having dogs or else CCTV cameras. Nowadays, who has cash?
Whatever we take, we'll have to give half to the police.
Hey, Sham. Do you know about Raju?
Noda.
He left us long while before.
He will come. 100% he will come. You see, wait and watch. What?
Hey, you have drunk already for that.
Hey, give it to me.
Hey, give me a glass.
Enough.
Dude, little bit of... Yeah.
Hey, he's a beginner. Give some more.
Okay.
Hey, where are you going?
Thanks.
Small people
Why are you doing like this, man?
He has wasted our money.
Throw him away, man.
Oh, Sham, trouble is coming. Police checking.
What, man? Are you drunk?
No, sir, we won't.
What the hell did you drink, man?
Nothing, sir, just cough syrup. That's
Hey,
it.
what's the trouble?
Everyone is drunk, sir.
Hey, I need one plate of omelette.
You need omelette? I'll give you. Come.
Guys, we don't
Come.
manage the game.
Come on.
I'm not coming, sir.
Come,
Wait,
Come
wait,
out,
sir.
man.
Don't
Go on.
force. I'm coming now.
Where?
Don't talk like go.
Extra pepper.
Sir, you have the omelette?
Hey guys, what's happening?
Good evening, sir.
Hey, that's my leg, man. Get up.
Go and stand. Go.
Be steady, man.
What did you guys drink?
Hey, sir is asking. No, please answer him.
These are drunken monks, sir.
Okay, what about you?
I just had only little.
Little? Hey,
Ah.
you're not able to stand properly.
You see this?
What is this? I'm not that type.
Sir,
You please
I
keep
also
this
can
too.
do this, sir. Keep it this.
Trying to bribe me? Come on, get in.
Sir, don't push
come.
me, sir.
Hey,
I'm
come,
getting-
man. No, no, no.
Hey,
You,
sir,
go,
get it.
you go
Hey,
first.
get it.
man.
Come here.
Oh, bring him too.
Sir, there is
Hey,
no
hey,
AC.
go.
Oh.
Hey, come out. I said
Wait,
come out.
wait.
Come on.
Let me get me down comfortably.
Just get it.
Sir,
Hey,
one minute, one
hey,
minute.
Here properly.
Oh, my
Hey,
baby.
come. Just come. Get it. Get it.
Hey, what are you doing? Go there.
I'm coming.
No. Don't waste our time. Get it.
Okay, love you, baby.
This is what we say. Get it. What is he thinking, buddy?
Sir. Can I have some water?
Wait. Constable has gone to get you mineral water. Hey, why are you laughing?
Sir, it's my breathing.
Sir, please, at least give me a glass of water. What I'm gonna do now? He's not listening to me at all. See?
Will you all shut your mouth? I told you no. Keep quiet,
Now
buddy.
it's my turn.
Why are you arguing? Waste of energy. Nawaz will solve the problem.
Sir,
What, man?
we need apple juice.
I said shut up.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah, who's you?
I am Krishnan, Ramachandran Chettiar's personal manager. Yesterday you arrested some boys. They are all our people.
Oh, I didn't know you were Chettiar's man. A phone call would have been enough.
Sir.
Release those fellows.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Who are you? And what do you need?
Shyam, I already told you. I'll give you detail, but not now, later.
What, Nancy? Today also it's late. Please come soon. Please lay a hand, you stupid. What are you doing? Please give me a hand. Hey,
Don't jump. Come here.
Come. You stupid.
What are you
Leave me, I say.
Hey, who are you guys?
Okay.
Who are you, man?
Why
What,
making
man?
trouble with those
You wanna
guys?
What do you
fight?
want?
Hello?
What do you
Tell
want?
me.
Huh?
What's
What
your
is the problem?
What's
Hey,
your
Go,
problem?
man. Go.
man?
Hey,
Yeah.
go, man. What? You're a hero. Huh? You're hitting my friend.
Hey, auntie was so beautiful.
Shut up, man.
Nothing to worry. Don't move your head much. You can go home in the evening.
Doctor, if you need blood, don't hesitate to ask us.
We'll let you know if needed.
Why are you unnecessarily wasting your energy?
Just simply.
Sister, are you working as a nurse here?
No, as teacher.
Be a good guy. Don't do such things, okay?
Man, I'm feeling little bit uneasy. I'll just come, okay? Huh?
Okay. He started his job. Oh my god. Maybe it will hurt you so much, right?
Nothing like that. Stop, man.
Okay, let me put your button first. We can't let them go away. Oh, hey, where did you gone?
Had a small job.
You want to see the guys who hit you? They are in next room only, like a wounded frog.
Really? I want to see them.
Come, buddy.
Come, let's go.
Yeah.
Come, man. How are you now?
Yeah, I'm feeling better now.
Okay.
Aha, madam has come.
Hey, Hansi, come. How are you?
Where is Sham?
He is in that room only. Go and see.
Sorry.
It's okay, Hansi. It's for you only, right? I could never tell you that I like you. So now I am telling. I love you.
Shyam and that boys are always in trouble, like police, case.
Well, youngsters are always like that.
Yeah. Youngsters.
Well, at this age, they are gonna be like this. We should leave them alone. They are paying the rent at the right time every month. Then what's your problem?
I agreed because that boys are orphans. I took pity on them. But now I regret it.
Mom, I'm going to meet Sham today.
I'm gonna take bath.
Hello, my dear sir. Can I come in?
Yeah. Get in, Hansi. I was just thinking about you only.
Oh, is it so? Boys are saying the same line. I thought you people are going somewhere. You didn't had your food properly, no? That's why I brought the food.
What is it? Sambar, right?
What, Sham? Matter is going too much?
Hey, not like that, man. She's come as usual, that's it.
Oh, really?
We bought porota and chicken for you.
That Usman will take care.
I will do
You
that.
don't worry.
Yes. The
Open,
smell is
open.
too good.
Man.
Hey,
Wait,
smell
I'm
was so
opening
good,
now.
right?
Hey, he's
Hey, let
having
me eat it
sambar,
first,
I
right?
think so.
It's
Yeah,
paroda,
this
man.
is so good. Hey, take a little bit, man.
हम लोगों की बर्बादी कोई ना कोई चाहते हैं.
ऐसे फालतू में टाइम गवा नहीं सकता. तेरे को मालूम नहीं?
मुझे मालूम.
आप लोग क्या मजाक कर रहे हैं? सारा काम जल्दी पूरा करो.
Okay, sir.
I think, like you said, they will be straight with us. So let's proceed with this deal. I need to see them face to face.
अरे आप लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. 2 हफ्ते के बाद डील कर रहा हूं. अभी तक आदमी नहीं मिले. 1 करोड़ों का बिजनेस है. आपसे नहीं होगा तो छोड़ दो.
अबे विक्रम सिंह, तू बैठो ना. Or sit down. Krishna,
Sir.
you call them immediately.
Okay, sir.
विक्रम सिंह, तो चिंता मत करो. ये डील हम लोग करेंगे, हैं?
Hey, give some rest
Hello.
to mouth, man.
Hello, Shyam. I want to meet you immediately.
Okay. Fine. Guys, we need to make a move.
Nawaz.
Usman.
Shyam. Andrew and Tom. I'll come to the point directly. I need all of your help.
What kind of help?
I'll tell you. But before that, you should know who I am. Myself, Krishnan. Ramachandra Chettiar's associate's personal manager. I don't want to explain about Chettiar, I think so.
Hello, come to the point.
Our company is one of the biggest dealers. 50 crores worth of diamond. If you bring it to the place which I mentioned,
What do we get?
we'll give you whatever you ask for.
Do we have to do this?
Let's give it a try, man. I think maybe this will solve all our problems. Our life should settle right.
Hey, Ansi. What happened?
Nothing, Dad.
I've been watching her for the past 3 days. Our Ansi's behavior has changed a lot.
You just feeling it, darling. There is nothing.
No. Something is really wrong.
Always you're like this.
What, Nancy? Nowadays you're talking about Shyam only? I think you forgot me totally, huh?
Come on, yaar. If this love happens, it looks like a daydream. The same feeling is for me also.
That's okay. If your father knows the situation, you know what will happen? Think and decide.
Let him know. Then we'll see. I want to marry only Shyam.
And that won't happen until I am alive. I will never allow you to get married to him. That guy doesn't have a proper job, you know that.
I will not change my mind, Dad. I want to marry Sham. That's it.
Are you listening to what she's saying? She will get married to no one else but that Sham alone. Why are you standing like a rock and not saying anything?
What should I say? You only decided to rent the house to that boys, na? Huh?
I have my own dreams. And I don't want to destroy them.
Hey, Nancy! Nancy, open the door!
Open the door.
Open the door!
Nancy!
Please listen to us.
Don't shout, I'm not going to die.
Nancy?
Hello,
Hello, Sham. Where are you?
I'm close by.
I need to tell you something seriously.
What? You don't worry. We will find the way. Okay?
What she said?
Her dad came to know about me and Nancy. She is so scared about that.
You don't worry, he will understand. He is not so hard-hearted.
He's right.
That is the issue. If he was hard-hearted, he would have got them married long ago.
Is that true, brother?
That's not the issue, man. How will I face him again?
I am having a solution for
Hey, what is this?
Wow!
I love you so much.
Hey, come on.
Hey, yes.
Yeah.
It's not for smelling, it's for drinking.
Give it.
Give it, man.
You both the guys are smelling dog only.
Don't worry, man. What is this? It's so high, I couldn't climb.
Watch carefully.
Yeah. Hey, Jambu. Hey, Jambu.
Don't tell my name.
Okay, get down. Oh my god.
Who selected this house?
This is my first robbery. I must pray God. Oh my God.
Wall is very high.
Hey, get down, da. That's why I told you to wear the pants. Oh my God. Get down. Now, hurry up.
Make it fast, man. Get down.
Come inside. Come inside.
Go. I get to taking lot of things.
Stop blabbering.
Brother, did you see that? There's lot of flower. I love flowers. Oh.
Haven't you seen flower before? Come. Let's do the work.
We didn't came for the flowers. Finish the job what we came for. Stupid.
Brother, look at this. This is a good artwork.
You're not come for painting. You come for something valuable. You can't
You always scolding me for nothing.
You go and check
Go
that.
there. I go.
Brother, look this hanging
Why
car.
it's for me,
It's for me.
Hang it up. Hang it.
Flower. Oh.
Take the tools, man.
Let me
it
take
fast.
tools, huh?
Take it.
Not that one. Take this one. Take this one. This will be good.
Not this one.
Okay.
The other one, man.
But we forgot the main tool.
Oh my god, what to do now?
Shall we hit the door like this?
Give me way. I will kick and open the door.
You're all
I
foolish.
said give me way.
You're all fit for nothing.
Always scolding me like this, huh? One day you will get know what I am and
Hit you
who I
in your
am.
face. It's huh? Door
Open. So come on.
Search silently. Carefully.
Okay. What is this? No fan
You
in the
see
room.
in the almirah.
Wow.
Go.
This is so good. TV.
Wow, it's a bureau. Wow, look at this. Ah.
Come here. You both come here.
Wait.
You
What
go
happened?
out, go
What
out.
happened? Hey,
This
why are
will
you
not
pushing
work.
me, huh?
Go and look for some
You
other
won't
valuable
check in the
things
other
over there.
rooms. Go.
Go and see.
I will check
all
here.
over the
Go.
place.
Okay,
Come on, go.
Let's work hard.
Don't leave
Go.
anything.
Huh, what is this? Oh, looks like a calendar. These are all my friends. What is going to happen?
Someone is knocking.
Hey, it's itching.
Hey,
Turn
always
that side,
thinking
man.
rubbish. Someone is knocking the door.
Oh, is that so?
Hey, get up, man.
Don't
Idiot.
disturb.
Here, go.
Blabbering stupid man.
Who will be in this late night? Stupids.
Is Nawaz there at home?
Who are you?
Who are you, man?
Hey, who are you?
I will tell you everything. Before that, wake them up.
Who are you, man? What do you want?
Hey, Sham. Hey, Sham. Get up, man. Get up.
Who is this night beggar, man?
Don't you all remember me? Some 10-12 years back, a small boy was running away from police with fear.
You are Raju?
Huh?
Dude, you're totally changed, dude. Okay, where you all these years?
Running away from police, I get into a spirit lorry. Police catch that lorry. With that, even I have been caught. Then I spent nearly 8 years in jail. And a few days in Mumbai, and then directly I came over here.
Okay, Raja. Is it true that there are a lot of items in Mumbai?
Oh,
No, don't mistake me. Item means gun. I asked for gun.
You are a truck.
This guy didn't change at all.
but Raju, you came at the right time.
Why? This is a very risky job. We have to think before we take a step.
He is only. The manager is calling. Tell me. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. He has to meet us tomorrow.
You go and meet them. This time, they shouldn't see me.
Uncle, I'll take care of this deal. I can do it.
But you? You're a kid, man. Take care of your work.
Sir, they're coming.
Make way. If you're okay with my terms, then let's start the deal here.
We are ready to do this, but we have one condition. We need a 50 lakhs to take this deal. What? Are you okay for this?
Krishna.
See, whatever happens in this matter, the delivery should be at the right time.
We have only one word. We'll keep the word even in our death.
Good. This is in advance. Rest when you have completed the deal. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
No, this is too big for me.
What?
I can't stand this anymore. Just came back from a bypass.
What is this? Is she a competition for me here?
Hey, in 10 lakhs, how many zeros, man?
I think 8 to 10. I think so. But I'm not sure that well.
Hey, see, man, see. Sarla started her job.
Brother, one second.
Get me one.
Dude, she's looking at you.
Smiling, buddy.
She's calling you only. Go.
If you put the egg in his head, it will come by an
Don't
omelette.
speak too much, okay?
Okay, chill out, man. Sham, see him. Brother, I guess Sarla got a company tonight, but they will got an issue. That's the height.
3,000.
500.
2,500.
1,000.
2,000.
Too much. 1,000 only.
Okay, I'll come.
Okay. Business started.
Let her go, no problem.
Hey, stop, man, stop. She's looking so hot and sexy. What, chick? Do you want company? We both will give you good company.
You stupid!
Hey, you're not supposed to say that.
Leave
The
me!
boys some first, so come on.
Please
Calm
leave
down.
me!
Come on, don't
We'll
hesitate.
pay you.
Come on, don't hesitate. We'll show you the real fun.
Hey, what's wrong
What
with
are you
you,
doing, guys? Hey, come on, let's go. Hey, leave me. Come, let me go. Go.
I should never see you again. Go.
Get the hell out from here.
Go, man.
Go.
Get off!
Go.
Get off here!
I never want to see you again.
Hi.
Hi. So what's your sweet name?
Pavidam.
Oh, okay.
Are you on WhatsApp?
Or else, what about Facebook? Are you in it?
Pavidam, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Just go away, okay? Go!
Where do you want to go?
Sugarcane factory.
Sugarcane factory.
There is no bus at this time.
Hey, Sham, get a auto, man.
Yo,
Shall I leave her and come? Auto!
Hey, don't call the auto man.
The auto has come. Come.
We're having the car now, so we'll drop her.
Come. Okay, you people all stay here.
Why are you
I'll go
going?
leave her and come, okay?
Hey,
come out,
come
man.
here.
Get out.
Come here, man.
Come
Leave
on.
it, man. Why are you
Hey,
doing
come
like
on.
this? Leave me.
Come, man.
Go, girl. Go.
All jealousy fellows.
You go.
Brother, you need to drop her at Sugarcane factory, okay?
Okay, brother.
Will you behave in such a bad way?
Why did you hit me?
What happened, man?
You shouldn't behave in such a bad way. That's why
Sorry,
I hit
brother.
you.
You go.
Bye, baby.
Promise you,
We'll catch
go.
up some other time.
Wait,
man, I'm
me too coming,
Hey,
yeah?
Don't behave like a kid.
Blabbering, man. Get in.
I would have carefully left the girl and come. You jealousy fellows.
All said and done, she's our daughter, right? How much ever we try to stop her, she's gonna go ahead and do it. Can I try and speak to that Shyam?
What the hell will you talk with that guy? Stop loving my daughter? Huh?
After all, this is our daughter's life we are talking about.
Do as you wish. I don't want to lose my daughter for this.
Hansi, I have to tell you one important thing.
Tell me, Shyam. Shyam, do you need to do this? Seems to be very risky job.
Already we have taken the deal, Hansi. So have to finish it. There is no way for us.
Decided.
Your dad met me yesterday.
What did he say?
If I have a decent income means, he will approve our relationship.
Really? I can't believe this.
So we need a money, Hansi. We don't have another chance. We have to do this.
But still, Shyam.
After this deal, I will stop all this. And then we will settle down.
See this generation? They are playing excellent.
Do you all remember our childhood days? What is there to remember in that? We were all thrown to the streets just like orphans. I wished for life like these kids. So take life as it comes, brother. This is the life in front of us. Forget it, man. We became like this just because we were abandoned. You're right, man.
It's Isaac. Hello, brother. What's up, man? Okay, we have to do this.
Yes, that's a good decision. There is a new life awaiting for them.
You are right. Andrew also having lot of dreams.
We don't have any separate life for us. Even if we die, our friends should have a good life.
Don't let them know. We will do it.
Muruga,
Yes, sir.
where is the hardware technician who was supposed to come?
No, sir. I informed. Should be here soon.
The system has been hung for the past 2 hours. I'm not able to do anything. Ask him to come soon. Go.
Okay, sir.
Good for nothing idiots. Hello? Yes? Yeah, come. You can come.
Excuse me, which system has to be repaired?
May I know who are you?
Huh, Hansi,
Hi, Tino.
do you work here?
After a long days, I'm seeing you. It's good that you have come here. I want to talk to you.
Okay, we'll meet after the work. Okay.
Mm.
Why are you guys so moody?
They wouldn't have drunk, that's why.
When did we become strangers to you? Tell me, guys. Tell me.
What is it, Chan?
Raza told me everything.
Che. You're making your own decisions now. Is it?
It's not for that, yeah. For you, a girl is waiting. You'll have to lead a good life. For that only we did.
See, we should not let anyone spoil our friendship in any situation, understand?
We'll grown up like a family, but he just spoiled everything. Shit.
In life and death, we have to be together. We don't do anything alone. There is no point in that.
Shyam, where is the delivery?
Devarmala, off to Pollachi.
I feel a bit tensed. I need a drink.
We have to complete this deal. Whatever happens, the victory is ours.
Our friendship is very strong enough. Only death can separate us. Till that, we all will fight together. No one can beat us.
Hello?
Hello, Shyam. Tomorrow 10 a.m. we hand over the consignment. Okay?
Yeah, I'll meet you.
Oh, 10 rupees. All my feelings are in this bag. Hello, my sweetheart, my darling. Bite. You first bite, then I will eat. Have it. First you eat. Sarala, I'm getting ready for the fun. Sarala, I'll take. I will take. You idiot! Playing with my feelings. Oh my god, they have come at the wrong time. Where will I hide you? You go under the cot,
Under the
bed.
cot.
Yes.
Why are you scaring our people only?
All our people. Go.
Oh my god.
Yes. Don't.
What the hell?
Hey, what are you doing here?
Something is going on inside, I think.
Inside so hot, we will speak outside.
No problem.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah,
speak
no
inside.
problem. You
Get
go.
it. Huh? It's a leg. Female leg. Nawaz, female leg inside.
Hey, Head 2.
What is going on here?
Come on, come on. Come. Why are you staining yourself? Come out. Come. This is our own Sarla. Huh?
Looking so bright. Excuse me, I want to.
How is the firework?
You idiot! You all irritating me.
Sweetheart.
Shut up.
Brother, do you remember everything now?
Wait.
Why they are getting late?
Don't worry, they'll be coming.
This diamond is worth 50 crores today. This deal needs to be completed perfectly. And if any hanky-panky business is going on, I'll kill you. For those who believe in me, this Ramachandra Chettiar is like a god. But who tried to betray me? You'd have heard the stories before. Krishna, let them know.
You have to follow this map and go to Pollachi. Take it. Don't take this mission lightly. It is important. It must look like you are going on a tour. Okay? Wish you a happy journey.
I think Chettiar is a dangerous guy.
Anyways, we have to start.
You're right, man.
We'll start.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, come man, let's go.
Don't know what. Something is ticking my stomach.
Because you drink last night, no? That's why.
Okay, is there any liquor in the vehicle?
There is half bottle in car.
Where is it, man? Half a
Dude,
full.
then let's stop for some time, okay?
Okay.
We are in a village. Behave properly.
Hello, brother. Please come here. Come.
3 black tea.
Give
Three
three
black tea?
glasses. Empty glass.
You need empty glasses.
Yeah.
Okay.
Will we have any problem?
Hey, no problem.
This is our area.
Hello, brother. Empty glasses.
You guys going to drink?
Three.
Will we give 1 peg for him also?
Mix it, man. Hmm.
What is this, man?
This is called a black dog.
Yeah. Very different drink. Shall we have something to eat?
Oh, I guess he's very hungry.
Brother, what do you have to eat?
For eating, chicken fry, mutton fry, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, boost, Horlicks, Bormita, milk. You can get this here.
Very good.
What the hell is this? Do you have sambar? Then bring 10 dosas.
Why are you standing here? Go and get quickly, go.
Dosa is ready.
Give it to me.
We will see. You go.
You go, man. I'm hungry.
See how he's eating.
What you
I
doing?
think he'll die in starving.
Why are you doing
Eat
like
slowly,
this?
man.
Shameless.
It's very nice.
Have it.
Take
it.
Sambar.
Have this too. Come.
Thank you.
They came only for eating, I think so.
Yeah.
Dude, don't get angry, okay? He always eat like this only. Come on,
here.
let's go.
Let him eat,
Brother,
man.
how much is it?
100 rupees.
Yeah.
Come, let's go.
Okay.
Come on, guys.
Take some water, man.
Wait. Me also coming. Wait, man.
Hey, leave the plate there, man.
No,
Hey,
I'm
hey,
not finished
Leave the
eating.
plate. Hey. Wash your hands. Hey, wash your hands, man. Come.
What is this? Where these stupids all coming from?
Don't you dare ask food till we reach our destination. Stupid.
So let us start the journey.
Okay. I think
This is too light, man.
you're right. Wilderness is the best place to drink, dude.
Usually I go to forest only for drinking. Nice place to drink.
Really?
I always wanted to drink in a forest, man.
No, brother.
Guys,
Thank you.
Anyone wanna drink?
Hey, I
that's
want,
me.
man.
Give it to me,
Take
brother.
it, take it.
Enjoy the nature. This is called natural drink. No, enough.
Wait.
Hey, enough, man.
What is doing there? Huh?
Hey, Raju.
Hey, you,
Raju,
come here.
Come over here.
Hey, come on, man.
It's okay, man.
He does not.
Hey,
want
he's not coming, brother. Let me take another
Don't disturb
drink.
him. Let
See,
him be
glass is
alone.
empty.
We will enjoy.
See.
You all wait. I'll go and come for urgent.
No, here, go
Busy.
that side. Go.
I am coming.
You take him too. Go.
Come on, you come on. Come on. Come on, man. Hey, don't.
You also urgent, huh?
Come on. Lale.
Hey, Usman. Are you okay with me?
Don't instigate me. I'm already drunk and very mad. You don't know my other face, okay?
Come on, down. Hey,
I want
Raju,
one more
come here. I am calling him. He is not coming. See, buddy.
Hey, such a more than drink, man.
But he's a nice man. That's why I like him.
What
Yeah, I
is
know
doing?
you
Hey,
think everything.
Raju, come here. Come here, man.
Hey, see? This is our Raju.
Hey, look, man. What has come? Man. Yeah. Now you all enjoy.
Stop.
Raju, we are going to sing one song for you.
I want to sing a song. Raju is a good boy. Raju is a good boy.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, I guess
You
we're
go
in
free.
What happened, Raju?
Nothing. I slept a little.
I'll drive. You take it. You sit back. I'll drive.
Hello. Everything is going as per our plan. Okay, I'll be there. Yeah.
They should be here any time now. They will be here.
Sir, Diamond has come.
No.
Hello.
Hello, Raju.
What is happening?
Everything is going as per our plan.
Okay, okay. We will also come.
Let you know what is your role in this game. You should open your mouth right now.
Krishna, what's this?
Tell the truth, man, or I will kill you. Tell the truth.
Don't beat me. I'll tell
Hey.
you. All this.
Unbelievable. It's you?
Yeah, uncle. It's me.
Shiva, I don't feel good about this. If Chettiar comes to know about this.
Chettiar. After all, he's my uncle. He's getting old. Can't think straight anymore. Well, you take care of those guys, that's enough. Okay? You don't have to worry. This is our plan. Right in this place, the diamond will be ours. And those boys. Let them die. We can't help it. You lived like a king all these days. Now it's time for you to take some rest. I can handle all these things from now. Don't move. You scumbag. You thought I'm a small timer, right? Now this is my place. And all these guys are mine. You have insulted me many times. Now you're gonna die in my hands. Don't move. Hey, you little kid. You're very smart. But just look at your friends there. Hey, any one of you tries to do something against me, you'll be finished. Because I am a born criminal. Hey! Where's the diamond?
Come on, come on. Our friends. See. Come on.
Come on. Hold him. Untie him.